When you're walking around the city, very busy city, it can be very easy for the camera to be knocked out of your hand, particularly if you're just keeping it down by your side so that you're not obvious, or the camera's not obvious. Now there are plenty of wrist straps you can buy. The cheaper ones particularly need to be permanently attached, as in you've got to take off the neck strap, put on the wrist strap, back and forth, back and forth. But what you can do is if you know the right measurements, you can actually use the neck strap as a wrist strap. Now the key measurement actually is about 6 inches, 15 centimeters for those in Europe. And if you mark it with a bit of tape, like here, you can kind of put that against your wrist like that, start slowly wrapping it around, leave enough at the end so that the strap is not going over the LCD or not touching any of the buttons. And then you can just use it as a wrist strap. But if you do it this way, the key thing here is that if it falls, it's only going to fall a short distance. And so protecting your very expensive camera and making sure that it doesn't end up in those millions of pieces. Try it out a few times because, different size wrists, different straps. But in that starting point of 6 inches, 15 centimeters, give that a try and see how that works. Because really, this is what it's about.